Hey yo, it's a G to G. Today I'm back with another hit. Today I'm going to be making a Huawei trap beat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn back and turn on your notification bell below so when next I drop new videos you will get notified. I'm that G who always create trap beat, hardcore trap beat. Today I'm going to be making another hardcore trap beat that is going to be fire. So let's get straight into my FL Studio and start programming our Huawei trap beat. Thank you so much and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell below. Let's get straight into my FL Studio. Right now, I'm in my FL Studio. I'm going to pick my plugin, a nice plugin. Now, I'm going to pick Octagon today. This is it, Octagon. Now I'm going to route to channel 5. That is the plugin. This is the title of the plugin here, Octagon. Now I'm going to route to channel 5 and this is it on my mixer. This is channel 5 of my plugin that I've picked and the name of the plugin is Octagon. This is it here. And this is my channel rack. Here is my channel rack. Now I'm going to left click, right click and open up my piano roll. But first I'll look for a preset. These are presets. You can see randomize hybrid 3 display. Now I'm going to browse my pick preset or left click and up on my piano roll, left click, piano roll. As you can see, that's how it's sounding. I'm going to create my Huawei trap beat using this plugin. I'm laying my patterns on my Huawei trap beat. Now I will highlight and pitch up and down to see the right note. That sounds very good. What I've done is, these are the presets, so I've dropped one here on the pattern that I've already created, and that's why it's sounding like this. I've come here. This is the plugin of the Octagon. As you can see, these are the plugins. So I've already draw my pattern, program my beat, and drag one of the preset right into the program pattern, and that's why it has come out with the FA keys. Now I'm going to mix it up. Now I'll pitch it down. Now I'm going to route the foot to reverb 2. Then I'm going to add today I'm going to add a gross beat. I'm going to add a gross beat today. This is my gross beat. I'm going to increase the release. Then I will left click and put it on a single curve. Bring it down a bit. Then I'm going to I'm going to add the Fruity Reverb 2 again. I'm going to increase the size. Now I'm going to create my bass melodies using this hammer. This is my hammer. Now I'm going to use to create my bass melody. I'm going to route the channel 6. These are my bass melodies. Now I'm going to create my hi-hats. Now I've created a 2 bars pattern. I'm going to highlight Ctrl B to write bars number 8. That is it. Now I'm going to increase the hi-hat and add the sound organizer. Now I'm going to pick my snare. I'm going to pick my snare now. I'm looking for my snare. I'm looking for my snare. I'm still looking for my snare. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to use this one for my snare. On my snare, I'm going to turn it up, add the sound organizer. And that's how it sounds. Now on my kick, I'm going to pick a good kick. I'm going to use one today for my kick. Then I'm going to twist it. That's it. I'm going to now boost my kick. This is the boost icon. I'm going to turn it right up. And I'm going to pitch. I'm going to twist it here. I'm going to arrange my everything in my playlist. I'm going to bring everything now into my playlist and arrange it. I'm going to bring everything and arrange it. Good. I'm going to arrange everything now into my playlist. Right now, I'm going to copy it. Now you can listen now to my full beat. Now the next step, I'm going to add an automation clip. I will left click and right click to add an automation clip. And on the second melody, left click and right click to add an automation clip. That's it. I'm going to spice my beat now. This is my full beat now. This is my highway trap beat. This is the full beat play. Then I am feeling the beat on the comment section below. beat has finished, and that's my Huawei trap beat. Subscribe for new videos on beat making. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.